Hey, I'm Lena, I'm an astrobiologist, and I wanted to take you into the lab and show you how I do some of my experiments. Today, I'm going to be analyzing my samples on this fancy instrument right here. So here's how it works. Basically passes the liquids I'm interested in studying through this column, which you can kind of think of as a filter. The filter sticks to any chemicals I want to identify, so I'm just loading that column up. Then I need to check on the solvent bottles and top off any that are running low. These solvents are what are going to allow the instrument to unstick any compounds that are stuck to that column or filter, so that they can get sent to another part of the instrument that'll gather information I can use to identify those compounds and what they are. And once the solvents are all taken care of, I'm going to jump over to the computer and basically tell the instrument what I want it to do, what order I want it to analyze the samples in, etc., etc. And then at that point, the machine is all ready to go, so now I just need to prep my samples. I'm working with quite a few samples today, and I need to transfer them all to these vials with special caps that can be punctured by a robotic needle that's going to send the liquid through the instrument. And then I need to load them up in the instrument. So they go in these special metal trays. And this instrument's really cool because it does all the liquid handling for me. All I need to do is make sure that the vials are in the correct order. And then I'm going to put them back in the machine and tell the machine that everything's ready to go and just run my sequence. And now I just need to wait a couple hours for the analysis to finish. So if you want to see more of these experiments, be sure to follow.